Greetings, friends. As we say goodbye to this week, we wish you a Sunday packed with fun, laughter, and good vibes. And we are entering into the exciting new topic, that is artificial intelligence or AI. AI is already surpassing us with specific tasks. They are curing diseases, writing symphonies, even cracking jokes. But can they understand the human heart like creativity, empathy, moral judgment? No, right? As these are the unique human traits, AI cannot replace it. AI can be our greatest ally. They can handle boring, repetitive tasks, freeing us to focus on innovation and art. So we can really schedule our content and perform repetitive tasks with the help of AI. AI for good is not just a future fantasy. It's actually happening now. But let me tell you, its success depends on us. So we can really prompt AI to make our work easier. AI helps us in everyday tasks like scheduling appointments, managing finances, recommending activities, or even picking up a perfect outfit. So that's what is AI. And that's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and do not forget to drop a comment below. So stay tuned for our next video where we are coming up with the topic on how AI can help us. Till then, this is Bryce signing off behalf of HBNet. Thank you. Bye.